So, this is a re-upload of the Element skate tour review. My one was kind of short, and I'll get into what it is. So I've had this for 2 years. It was my first ever skate tool. It's a really good skate tool. This hasn't this Allen key part hasn't really stripped yet. Or this screw travel part. Strip. And it didn't break. It's plastic here too. It's an awesome skate tool. I'd recommend it if you don't have tons of money. It's like the same as like a T-tool, but cheaper. I forget how much it was, and I'm not sure how much it is. I'm not sure if they sell them anymore. Whoa! Oh! Okay, I'm fine. Yeah, but it's really good. You can flip it. Oops. Yeah. It's a good skate tool. What the heck? Yeah, subscribe or explode. Goodbye. Peace. Goodbye.